Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just making dinner. Just from work, feeling hungry, simple dinner. I have Kale spaghetti, or what do you call it? Yeah, you can read it for yourself. It's organic, very healthy, better than wheat. Potatoes, um, kale, green kale. It's all about eating healthy. So I've already chopped my onions and tomatoes waiting for frying. So let's go. I'll start by where can I start? Yeah, let me start with peeling my potatoes first. Not so many. I'll use traditional way of doing it. I know you can use a potato peeler, but for me, I find this way is much easier, and I got used to this type of, way of peeling potatoes rather than that potato peeler. Whichever way you want is up to you. So just potatoes, white potatoes, or they're called purple tasting potatoes. Yeah, I just bought it from the IGA supermarket a moment ago. Came home feeling hungry, so I just want to make a simple meal. At the end of this, it looks, I'm using how many ingredients? One, two, three, only three ingredients. And I'll fry an egg just to add some protein. And the presentation actually will be very appetizing. I hope that you will stay for these 10 minutes while I'm cooking this dinner, and you will enjoy it. Yeah, simple, but the end is very interesting. So let me peel these potatoes, and then I'll chop finely these kale. Kale is good. It's rich in vitamin K. Potatoes are just potatoes. I it's a little bit, it's starchy. It's like carbohydrate. It's a lot of carbs in here. So I'll use a little, not so many potatoes, but just follow me and see what I'm doing. What I'll do, I'll fry the potatoes and then later add the kale, because I want the kale to cook. It's like to be steamed. Vegetables aren't supposed to cook uh, like for a long time. This is just to preserve the chlorophyll or the vitamins in it, and make sure that we get it into our bodies, because we need the vitamin K and vitamin A's and all the vitamins which are vital for our organs. So yeah, that is the idea about my meals. Just very simple, make it balanced, and make it healthy, rather than eating the takeouts that we are sometimes obsessed with. So Spelt, this is an old grain and much better than wheat, low carb. If you have time, you can buy it from any supermarket. Okay, so yeah, I'll just add one more potato, and then I'll go straight to the kale. Now, my potatoes are finely chopped, just in cubes, nothing fancy. And next step is to chop my kale. Just finely chop it, and yeah, nicely. I love kale because it's also a roughage. It's good for the movement of, how can I put it? it actually facilitates the absorption of other minerals in the body. Yeah, it's a bit technical way of explaining it, but just know that this chlorophyll is very important in our bodies. So when you're cooking, make sure it's just steam it for about 100 degrees. That is what is recommended. Just maintain the green color. So that's it. So the next thing now, you'll see me cooking, and let's enjoy this video. Give it a like if you enjoy it. All right, now so it's time to cook. I'm gonna boil my spelt and fry my potatoes and kale, of course. So basically, my Himalayan salt, this is the best salt that you can ever use. Very good for the body. And this time I'm going to use grapeseed oil. This is one of the healthiest oil around. Very good from the grapes, the seeds. Actually, they're very healthy. Yeah, now as I wait for this to boil, I can start frying my potatoes. Simple and clear. So let me light this fire. Just add more heat. Yeah, that's enough. 8 is enough for. Actually, this is an induction cooker. It saves on electricity. Okay, so I'm waiting for my pot to heat, and yeah, simple and clear. I am very hungry. It's like everything is very slow right now. Okay, now the pot is hot. Just add a little bit of oil there, and here as well. Yeah, just tiny bit. Salt to taste. Too much salt is not good for you either. Okay, I've just added the onion, the red onion, and there's one ingredient that I left out. I just want to add is I'm going to chop the ginger. This is very good as well. It's a very nice herb, and I'll add on it. Okay, my camera went off actually while I was cooking, so I had to reduce this heat so that you can follow me what I'm doing. So I'm back on air. So what I was gonna do is boil this spaghetti, spaghetti. I'll do a half of it. The rest I'll use it another time. So I'm still, yeah. This is now, I added ginger on top of my onion. Now I need to drain this water off. Then I'll start frying my potatoes. I'll add more heat because it needs to be well cooked. I want these potatoes actually to cook well, and then I'll add the kale on top, kind of steaming. how I do it. Simple. Now, yeah, you make sure that the kitchen, you clean as you go. Make sure that the kitchen is clean, no mess around. Keep on stirring these potatoes. I'm going to add paprika. Actually, no, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper will have some color and it's very good as well for your body. Cayenne pepper powder. I like my food mild, spicy. Even I can smell the aroma of the ginger. It's very nice over here. So to avoid the potatoes from sticking to this pot, now it's just time to add my small tomatoes. I like to use these what do you call this type? For these tomatoes. Oh, or I just forgot the name. I can't believe it. If you remember the name, just kindly comment down below. So this, I keep on stirring because these tomatoes actually they are juicy and I don't need to add water. The moment I keep on using these tomatoes, breaking them down because it's I have juice, a lot of juice in there, and I'm gonna just reduce the heat at the moment to keep on stirring. Make sure that you break down these tomatoes. Some call it apple tomatoes. Maybe because I'm very hungry, I actually forgot the name. I will, when I recall, I will let you know. Just a dash of water to avoid it sticking. It will stick at the bottom. Yeah, like that. And then I let it cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, keep on checking on my spelt spaghetti. So it's now the time to add my kale. Just add the kale on top of the potatoes and wait for it to cook. This one will go, it will shrink for now in a moment. So it looks like it's a lot of it, but it's gonna shrink the more heat. So I do this and then cover 5 minutes, just let it simmer. And then we put together the meal. So the next thing I'm gonna do is make an omelette. And before this, I just want to show you all the meal is cooked. This is the spaghetti, and here is all my potatoes are cooked and the vegetables. So it's just a matter of putting them all together in a plate and enjoying the meal. So the omelette here, this is the animal protein that I need to complete my meal, and you'll see how it goes at the end of this. Thank you so much. So there's my omelette. Wait for a bit, like 2 minutes, and then start assembling my meal on a plate or plating if you like, and start eating. I'm so hungry. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end result of my cooking. As you can see down here, the egg is actually at the bottom. Since I'm so hungry, I've just put everything together on top there. It's a lot, but I'm gonna eat it all. Is a mukbang, whatever you may understand. So thank you so much. There are more videos coming. I hope you will enjoy this one and the ones to come. Thank you and bye bye.